Alright guys, we're just arrived at the camp. Looking around, checking it out, where the best place to hunt is. We're going to start hunting here shortly. We're waiting for some more people to show up. Alright, Jeff called me over. Pulled up a...
Right, literally like an inch under the soil. It's a half of some kind. Can't tell on that side. Not gonna rub hard, just popping that off. I don't want to use up all the water.
It's a walker.
See if we can just get a year.
Definitely a walker.
Something with a 2. There we go. 42.
42 walker. Good job, man.
Awesome.
They got a Mercs and stuff. I haven't got nothing yet, but I'm working on it. I don't want to wear a pink hat, so.
All right, guys. With that, we didn't find. They came back to where I found the other silvers, and we got a diamond here. Sorry, you guys, but I'm gonna give it a little rub. Let's see if I can see what it is. It's a rosy, so I can rub the shit out of it. 46. Awesome.
All right, guys, I got a good signal right in here. Let's see what we got. I'm using my backup pinpointer. I've been losing pinpointers left and right this week. Right here. There it is. Ta-da! My first silver. All right, guys. Thanks.
All right, got another one here. Don't know where it is. It's a rosy. And it's 46. Is that another 46? Oh, we'll see.
All right, I'm getting a 1244, 1345. It's jumpy all over the place. All right. It's a ring. That's a, I think that's a Boy Scout ring. Yes, it is. Check that out. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, I'm getting a 1242, 1243. Yeah, I know.
They're all over the fucking place.
Pick this up here. Ugh. There it is. Sweet penny. All right.
It's something stupid. Oh no, it's a silver bracelet. Silver bracelet. Whew. That's cool.
Oh, that's an old one.
The girls, huh? Or is it for boy?
I imagine it's the girls.
Came up as a 146.
Oh, that's because it's so big. The E-Track does that. The 3030 won't read it like that. That's cool. That's old too.
Very nice. .45, 1246 right here. So it's either crappy tent peg or it's gonna be silver. One of the two. Could be Pucan. And it's one of the crappy tent things.
Alright, I'm getting a 12, 43, 44. Probably a wheat penny. But find out. The soil's very rocky here. Uh-oh. Oh, piece of plastic. Alright. Oh, there we go. It's a dime, but not a silver one. Alright. Alright, guys. Dug my couple wheat pennies here. Not with Kevin. I just got this signal here. Pop this up. I'm not sure what it is yet. Oh, you're kidding me, right? Let me get some water. I think that's a Standing Liberty. I might be able to get a date off of it. Yeah, I'll be able to get a date off of that. All right. Kevin told me he had a goodie in the hole. Yeah, it's pouring down the rain. Hee. A barber dime. Oh, I can't get the date. We'll get the date later. Oh, Kevin got him another one. Look at this. There's the barber down in there. He's down deep. That's, yeah, 7 inches, I would say. 6, 7 inches. All right, awesome. All right, guys. It's been, I don't know, about 3 or 4 hours. Out here in this pouring rain. Since I found that Standing Liberty a little bit earlier. I'm back up in the woods and just pulled a Merc. All right, Dennis. All right, guys. I'm still out here in the pouring rain. It's been about 10 minutes since I found that Rosie. We got a signal here. Moved the leaves back right on top of the ground. What's that? I think it's another Rosie. Oh, it's a Merc. A Merc. Oops. All right, I'll show you at the end. Guys, I hope you're enjoying your Memorial Day weekend. I was looking on online and I see I got 100 subscribers. So that means I'm going to do a giveaway. To be eligible for this giveaway, we got to be 2 things. You got to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on the video. And I'm not going to have just one. I'm going to have 2 winners. First place and a second place. And they'll be chosen at random. The first place winner will get this Silver Eagle 2016 in the capsule. The capsule will come with it. And the second place will get a 1/2 ounce silver round. So guys, like, subscribe, comment, and good luck. Hi, Silver.